Welcome to the campus of Bowling Green State University, where students always say, "It just feels like home." I'm Maya, a tour guide at BGSU, but also a digital art major and a BGSU enthusiast. Our campus is beautiful during all seasons, but fall is one of my favorites, especially when I'm standing in Old Campus, an area of campus with some of BGSU's original buildings, renovated but still maintaining its historic roots. It helps that our school colors are orange and brown, and there are plenty of shades of orange and brown in our small college town in the autumn months. I'm your host today and plan to show you some of the most beautiful sights on campus, whether you're watching this in winter, spring, or summer. You might just start picturing yourself at our mid-sized university, nestled in Bowling Green, Ohio, continually ranked one of the best college towns in the nation and one of the safest. Come on, let me show you around my home. This is one of my favorite buildings on campus. It just feels like college. It even smells collegiate. Can you smell it? Our oldest building on campus, University Hall, was renovated to honor the past, but updated to prepare our students for opportunities with their academic majors, internships, and research. I didn't have to go far to get to our next magnificent piece of academic real estate. This is MOSELEY Hall, home to science, technology, engineering, and math education, and research for the next generation of BGSU students. The renovated facility allows students to participate in classroom and lab courses in flexible and collaborative new spaces that support innovative, research-driven approaches to science teaching and learning. Guess what? I'm in a floating classroom. Not kidding. This is one of our newest classrooms inside of the brand new state-of-the-art Robert W. and Patricia A. MAURER Center. This is one of the most innovative and collaborative learning environments for business education in the nation. Home to the Alan W. and Carol M. Schmidt-Horst College of Business. The MAURER Center connects the iconic Hannah Hall with a 50,000 square foot addition that celebrates BGSU's history while incorporating a modern corporate environment. Just in case you forgot what campus you're viewing, BGSU. These letters are a gathering spot for current students and visitors alike. Many new commits and recent graduates can't leave campus without a photo with the big BGSU. The letters, as we fondly call them, are in our Union Oval. Student groups, we have more than 400 on campus, meet here to host events or sponsor giveaways. It's one of the most trafficked places on campus because every path leads to various parts of campus. Did I mention you can walk our campus from start to finish in 20 minutes? Let's keep going. What a view! Whether at an athletic event or just gazing in the sky, BGSU is a Division I school with opportunities to continue your athletic career through a Division I sport, a competitive club sport, or more laid-back intramural. I am back in my residence hall. So nice that I can walk to any of our athletic events to cheer on BGSU. BGSU has a variety of housing options from traditional style rooms to suite style. There's something for every price point or preference. We even have an honors college with honors living arrangements. And I would be remiss if I didn't take you through our Greek village, built in 2016 for Greek students to live and reside. Wow, this tour is keeping me running. Glad we have a BGSU shuttle bus for an option. I'm working up an appetite, which is no problem at BGSU because we have so many food options for all preferences, dietary needs, and late night cravings. We even have a teaching kitchen, great for student group activity or retreat. Let's grab a cup of coffee. The show must go on. Whether you need equipment to create art or reference materials, the new WOLFE Center for the Arts at Bowling Green State University provides a space on campus where the arts can flourish. The building offers an environment conducive to creativity and synergistic partnerships. In addition to being a place for students and faculty to learn and work on theatrical, dance, musical, film, and digital art productions, this center offers the community an exceptional venue for a wide range of performances. No tour would be complete without a look at our recently renovated rec center. The Student Recreation Center is commonly referred to as the Rec. Highlights include an Olympic-sized pool, rooms for Group X class such as yoga and spinning, and courts for racquetball. Full-time BGSU students can come to the rec and work out for free. And we're back to Old Campus and finishing with a peek inside of our BOWEN-THOMPSON Student Union. Built in 1958, remodeled in 1977 after 2 fires and substantially renovated in 2002, the Union is home to a dining area called the Falcon's Nest, the Career Center, Student Union Theater, Off-Campus Student Lounge, and the Multicultural Student Center, and the LGBTQ Resource Center, among other student amenities. Known as the heart of campus, the Student Union is one of the most popular spots for students. I know it has my heart. Well, that's all I've got for you. Thanks for being a great group. I hope you enjoyed my home as much as I loved showing it. You're welcome back anytime.